a single seat, fuck that. Boom, 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 boom.
Subs lay on them, make it more secure. So I measured it from that end to this end. It's 47 inches. I measured it from about in there to the end of here, and it's 23 inches. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this board. You've got the subs out of here, a little trunk space. Put them in the back seat. Alright, well, we got this fitted. Not too good, but goes in. Now we just gotta support it with some 2x4s. I'm gonna do 4 overall, but just getting the measurement for the height of it. Alright, now we're gonna cut the supporting 2x4s for the sub box thing. Alright, we got the 2x4s cut. Alright, here's just something I picked up today. I got a black paint. I was gonna paint the box black, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna put a black suede I got, some black material. I got the glue to glue it on. Got me some screws to put on. I'm not gonna use those screws. I'm gonna use these for the box to mount it on. And the staple gun for the material, for the fabric. I'm just gonna drill the holes on the box. Already drilled all the boxes for the 2x4s, and just put one under there to keep it up so I wouldn't go on the concrete. Right, so for the 2x4s, I'm gonna put 3 holes in each, and I'm actually gonna use these ones, which are 1¼ inch wood screws. Well, these are only 3/4, which would be perfect for the brackets because this thing is 3/4 of an inch MDF, so it'll be perfect. It'll stay inside. And these will just go. These ones will go straight through to penetrate this. Give it enough support. All right, we got the screws ready to be screwed in. See how this goes. Alright, well, it's now in with the supporters, so, you know, this thing ain't going nowhere. It's like stuck in there because, you know, it's a nice tight fit. Just cut that little hole in there to put it in under there. So I'm just gonna put black fabric over this, put the box on, put the brackets on the sides, and screw it on in there. A little preview. It's perfect. All that's going to be wrapped. Back some black suede I got. Nice black suede. Got the tweeters. I'll upgrade those soon. Yeah. Alright, we're finally done with the box and the brackets. Let's give it a little bit of paint on the screws to match the bracket. Looking pretty good. My little much on there. I might just take some off real quick. But let's see. you.